Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll tell you how to draw some angel wings. Simple. So let me just show you if anyone's wondering how to draw angel wings. Okay. So first thing you do, you draw a little curvy line, and then you make a little straight line. Just curvy line, straight line. Focus. Then go to the straight line. Do that. Till a little bit to the end here. And then you go back again. Make it shorter though. Make it shorter. Keep doing this. And remember to make this shorter each time you do it. One line, another line. One line, another line. One line, another line. And boom, wing. And if you want to do bird wings, all you gotta do is any line you want, then just fill it in. No, strokes. Doesn't have to be perfect, because if you're doing a sketch, then yeah, it doesn't really have to be perfect. So this is kind of bird wings to me, and yeah, bird wings. And so this is angel wings. Bird wings. Thank you for watching.